The 2025 Volvo XC40, what's new? For 2025, the Volvo XC40 gets a new color option, Sand Dune, which replaces Bright Dusk, and a few minor tweaks here and there. Power folding headrests are now standard on the base core model, replacing the dark theme interior. The top trim level, which was called Ultimate last year, is now called Ultra for 2025. The XC40 continues as before in all other respects. There is no longer a front-wheel drive option for the XC40, only all-wheel drive is available. Depending on the model level and optional features, the price of the 2025 Volvo XC40 can range from $41,945 to $50,595. A turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing 247 horsepower and assisted by a 48-volt hybrid system is the engine that powers all XC40s. An 8-speed automatic gearbox, which shifts with ease, distributes power to each of the four wheels. Conversely, when the throttle is turned up high, the exhaust tone sounds rough and scratchy. Surprisingly for small luxury crossovers, the XC40 maintains a robust 3,500-pound towing capability. In 6.1 seconds, the XC40 reached 60 miles per hour on our test track. Even while that's not bad for a small crossover, the Volvo had competitors that were faster. Our test vehicles, a BMW X1 xDrive 28i and a Mercedes-AMG GLB 35, reached 60 miles per hour in 5.4 and 4.9 seconds, respectively. Although the XC40 had class-competitive EPA fuel economy estimates of 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the interstate, we only managed 27 miles per gallon while driving at 75 miles per hour. The XC40 combines modern Swedish design with playful and practical elements. Even in the most basic core trim, the cabin's open design gives off an appearance of genuine luxury. There is plenty of room for passengers in the front and back seats. Even though it lacks the XC90's sumptuous interior and leather upholstery, the XC40 is just as practical, well-made, and attractive as its more costly siblings. Instead of using traditional wood inlays, Volvo's designers opted for a more youthful aesthetic for the plush trim's interior, which features textured metallic trim, rectilinear vents with floating chrome adjusters, and other amenities.